way you know I got on a jacket that could blind you, because I'll be discussing the 14 things you need in your emergency kit for back to school. So I will pop up all the things you need in the emergency, but I listed it all on a piece of paper. You need this in your backpack, your kits, wherever. But you need these 14 things in case of any back to school emergencies. I am not playing with y'all. It is very important that you have these necessities when it is an emergency for back to school, because when you are in school, you ain't getting out. You ain't getting out. So you need to make sure you have everything that you guys need for the emergency kits. Okay, I started the intro a little bit dramatic, but on the real though, there's some things that you just want to have, just so you know, but you're in school and then you're like, oh, it's at home. I gotta wait this whole 8-hour day. Like, it's a whole job. I should be getting paid for this. But you're not. So you need to make sure you have it. So I wrote it down on a piece of paper. There are 14 different things. Let's get into the first thing. So you will always need tissues. Tissues are a necessity. If you need to blow your nose, or if you sneeze in class, or if you sneeze on the bus or on the walk to school, what you gonna do? Walk into the building with snot everywhere, all over your face, your neck, your clothes? No. If you have a tissue, you'll sneeze, it goes everywhere, but guess what? Quick clean up, bang. Pull out them tissues, boom. Quick clean up. I'm not playing with y'all. It happens. You could be on the bus, you're on your way to school, sneeze everywhere. You're like, OMG, if only I had a tissue. But guess what? No one else is gonna have tissues because they're not prepared like you are, because they didn't watch this video and they didn't subscribe to me on YouTube. So subscribe. Okay, you should probably have already done that. Now click the notification bell, yes. All right, now follow me on my social medias, because now the key with that is you're gonna have exclusive access to inspiration when it comes to outfits, when it comes to makeup, when it comes to hair. You're gonna have inspo on my Instagram page. So be sure to follow me and get inspired, okay? Get inspired, all right? Okay. What is this, man? All right. Number 2, Band-Aids for slight minor cuts on the bus. Now, if you guys are getting cut in school, please go to the nurse. Please get it cleaned, please. But I'm talking about a paper cut. For a paper cut. You don't need to be going to the nurse for a paper cut. You just look ridiculous. If there's no blood, you don't need to do all that. But sometimes you got a paper cut and you're like, yo, I need a Band-Aid, but I'm not about to go to the nurse for no that. Like, nah. Come prepared. Have a few. Then when you go home, take care of that. But don't be getting cuts and bleeding everywhere and you ain't going to the nurse and be like, oh, I have my emergency kit. I'm just going to take my Band-Aids. You need to get that disinfected. Okay, that is nasty. You cannot just be having these Band-Aids saying that it's going to fix the whole situation. That is not going to fix the whole situation. Okay, you need to make sure that you get that clean. I'm talking about a paper cut. Paper cuts only. Paper cuts, you don't bleed. If you get a cut with a piece of paper and you are bleeding, go to the nurse, please. Because I'm not about to take the blame, because I told y'all to bring your own Band-Aids and then y'all is bleeding everywhere and y'all just going to wrap a few Band-Aids on it and just go home and now your finger is infected. Okay? You need to see the nurse. I'm talking about for a paper cut. Have Band-Aids. I always carry them. Yes. You never know. A paper cut on the bus. What you gonna do then? What you gonna do? Call the nurse? What you think she gonna leave the whole facility for you? For your minor paper cut? Like, be prepared your own self. Be prepared your own self. Okay? Nobody, the nurse does not care that much. It's not even her hours at that point. You are on the bus. All right, number 3, you need lip balm, because you never know. Your lips might get dry in school and you can't share lip balms. You already know you can't share lip products, and the nurse does not have extra lip balms for you for free. This is school. This is not free lip. No, you need to bring lip balms. All right, number 4. Feminine care for when it's that time of the month, always. But always have it, not when it's just that time of the month. Always have your feminine care. Quit playing. Okay, you need your feminine care. I'm not popping out up on the screen. Y'all know what you need. If you don't know, ask your mom. And if they don't know, I don't know what. You need somebody. Ask your sister. Okay, ask your cousin. But have your feminine care, okay, always. All right. Number 5, powder for if you get oily. Honestly, I can show you guys the powder. We don't need to do all that extra popping up on the screen. We have so many powders here. This is some translucent one. Bang. Powder, whether it's translucent. Bang. Whether it's the Sephora pressed powder. Bang. You need to have some powder because your face might get oily and that's going to dry it up real quickly. All right. Also, boom, a phone charger. Okay, do I need to show your phone charger? You know, if you have an iPhone charger, bring your iPhone charger. If you have an Android, bring that. I always would be charging my phone in class. Yes, if you have an outlet, your teacher is nice enough to let you charge your phone because it's dying. Quit playing. Like, you need to have your phone, first of all, for emergencies in general. So what you gonna do when you don't have your emergency device? So always have a phone charger. All right, then I would also say mascara. This is the Urban Decay Perversion. However, you can use whatever you want. You never know when you're gonna start crying. That is sad, but it happens, okay? At least you can wipe them tears, wipe that running mascara, and put on some new mascara. Quit playing. Quit playing. Now, I also said extra pens and extra pencils. Yes, honey. What are you gonna do in class when they say, okay, we're going to have to take notes, and you're sitting there and you don't even have a pen or a pencil? Come on. Like, I'm not trying to offend anybody here, but this is seriously for emergencies. You don't want to be that guy or that girl or that kid who doesn't have a pen or pencil. This is school. Please quit playing me. I was never that student. Please don't be that student. Now, it is different if you cannot afford it, but if you can afford it and you got them ready to go, don't be coming unprepared. These are essential emergency kit products. Okay, let me know so far, which one do you also carry in your emergency kit naturally? Also, add additional emergency kits for the other people so that they know what is going on here, because honestly, there's endless things that you need in your emergency kits. Some people need other things, but this is just mine. But you never know, add more. And also hashtag what when you graduate. So hashtag class of blah blah blah. Get hyped for back to school. Back to school is happening, and thumbs up to get hyped for back to school. Okay, but let's get to the next one. All right, number 9, you always need water to stay hydrated. Of course, you do not want to be cringed. Okay, when you're hydrated, you can be awake, you can have energy, and you're not gonna like literally black out in school. Like, that would be terrible. One time I was in school and it was recess, and this was literally a long time ago, of course. No, just last year. No, I'm just kidding. No, it was a long time ago. And this girl literally passed out at recess, and I did not know what was going on. I don't know what was going on, but she was dehydrated, so drink your water. Number 10, have your snacks or have your candy, okay? Have your little mini bag of chips, add your little Jolly Ranchers, okay? Whatever you need, get it, because you will probably want a snack in between lunch, because you guys know they should give you not only lunch, but they should give you what's it called, snack time, because honestly, sometimes you need 2 lunches. Like, hello. I'm hungry. I'm in here for a long time. Like, who can relate? All right, number 11, ponytail holders, because first of all, in school, so many people ask me for a ponytail holder. I'm like, okay, here you go. Here you go. You get a ponytail holder. You get a ponytail holder. You get a ponytail holder. Everyone wanted to ask me for a ponytail holder. Like, can you come prepared? Like, oh my. I always had everything prepared. Like, literally, I had everything in my bag. Like, and you might need a ponytail holder too, okay? Because you never know, it might get hot. You're like, oh my gosh, I need a ponytail holder. Don't be expecting other people to have it, because they're not. I promise you, unless they watch this video and they subscribed to me on YouTube, and you might as well subscribe, and you might as well turn on my upload notifications, okay? Anyways, now you will also need bobby pins, okay? You might have flyaways, have some bobby pins, bada bang, bada boom, we get it. All right, also a lint roller, You need a lint roller. You need a lint roller. Okay, now this won't necessarily get lint. This is sequin. However, you just don't want to be walking around with lint all over your clothes. Just no, you don't. All right, and then also always have an extra pair of earrings. Okay, always have an extra pair. Always. Okay. Hey, all right. So So that is my 14 things that I need in my back to school emergency kit. Add some additional things that you keep in your emergency kit. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on my social medias if you don't, so you guys can be posted on me every single day. Okay, y'all guys can see my looks. You can get inspiration and everything. Like, I'll brighten up your timeline. So, you know, do that. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on my upload notifications. Thumbs up this video. Okay? And I'll catch you guys in my... Oh, no. Wait, yeah. That's everything. Okay. I feel like I missed something. But you guys didn't... Y'all already know I didn't miss nothing because y'all ain't missed nothing. Y'all subscribed. Y'all followed me. Y'all did what you needed to do. And I will catch you guys in my next video. All right. Bye, guys. Mwah.